Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Odnoklassniki app on your phone. For that you'll need to open up browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to use Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search Odnoklassniki on your search bar. There on top you'll see Odnoklassniki's website. Tap on it. Open your website with browser. Now you'll land on Odnoklassniki's website. Be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top left. After you tap on it, there you'll see various options. Scroll down and there you'll see the option of computer version. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on Go. Now you'll get a desktop view on your screen. On your top right, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. Go to Help. Now you'll land on Help page. There you'll see the option of My Profile. Tap on it. After that, go to General Settings. There you'll see the article that says how do I delete my profile. Tap on it. Then tap on License Agreement in order to access the link. There at the bottom of your screen you'll see the option of Delete Profile. Tap on it. Now select the reason why you want to delete your account and then enter your password. After you are done, tap on Delete. This way you can delete your Odnoklassniki account. If you want to restore your deleted account, you can only restore it within 183 days. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.